Hello guys, today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to set up a pack for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's going to be both add-on and uh, resource pack. So first you want to start by going to com.mojang and going to resource packs. I'm going to be starting with a resource pack, that is. So I'll be naming it that. And now I'm going to make a manifest.json. This manifest.json is what all packs use to declare itself a pack. I'm now going to start typing. I'm going to start with some curly braces and write down inside quotes. Everything is inside quotes in JSON files. Format version. I'm going to have a colon. I'm going to write down 2. This is just the format version of most manifest.jsons for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I'm now going to write down header and then follow that with some more curly braces. And then name. I'm going to leave that blank for now. Description I will also leave blank for now. UUID we'll leave blank until later. This is important. Make sure you don't mess up the UUID part. Format version. You're just gonna write down 1, comma 1. You're gonna write down that, yeah. This is just like the internal version of the pack. Min engine version. Uh, I'm not sure what this is for, but I need it. You need it for the pack, I guess. You're now going to, after header, you're going to write down modules, and inside more curly braces and brackets, you're going to put down type. And here I forget the colon, which is why it's giving me an error. I'm going to remember it in a moment. There you go. Here's another UUID. The reason there are 2 is most likely to just have more variety. And now you write down another version. So now you're going to go up and you're going to go and write down what name you want. I'm going to put in setup resources. And in the description, I'm going to put some very necessary things. Now for the UUID, you're going to want to go to UUID generator.net. This is where I get all my UUIDs. I guess it's just the default one. So you're going to put UUID, a unique one in each version of. You're going to put down a unique UUID after you refresh the page into each of the UUID slots. So make sure they're different. Make sure they're different. So now, to make this resource pack actually work, I'm going to put down textures just to prove that this is a working resource pack now. I just make a blocks folder, yeah. And I'm forgetting that you can't just make images like that, so I'm going to open Blockbench. I'm going to name it dirt, and this is just going to replace the dirt file. I'm going to speed this up post-processing. Alright, now that I've finished it, I'm going to save the dirt.png folder file into the blocks folder inside the textures folder. I am now going to move on to making a behavior pack for this. I'm not going to do anything with the behavior pack, but I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to show you a few things that you can do with it. Now, remember, you don't need a behavior pack to make a resource pack. In fact, you can make a resource pack completely standalone. This is actually how you make texture packs. A behavior pack is an add-on, essentially. It modifies code. I'm going to make a manifest.json, and I'm now going to literally just copy paste what I did for the resource pack manifest, although I will edit a few things. The differences between behavior packs and resource packs is because of the fact that resource packs just edit textures and stuff. Basically just change the way the game looks. Behavior packs, you're going to want to type data into this file field. Behavior packs, they actually change the game's code, so that's why. So now, with the UUIDs, you're first of all going to want to change them by getting some new UUIDs. And now, once I finally do that, I'm being super slow, sorry. You can do this. You can make a new field after modules, and it's going to be called dependencies. This is how you can link a resource pack to a behavior pack. This makes it so that when you put in a behavior pack into a world, it automatically uh, selects the resources for it. Now the UUID here, you're actually going to want to take the one from the first UUID in the resource pack manifest. This is how you link it. See, they're the same. Also, make a pack icon, and all you have to do is take an image file, put it where the manifest is, and name it packicon.png. This will make it so you can see the image for the resource pack, or the behavior pack. Now I'm opening Minecraft. I forgot what I had done. Wait for it to load. There we go. Create a new world. Again, just make it creative. Can make some coordinates. Turn off multiplayer. Yeah, just turn on the cheats, you know. I'm gonna scroll down. Ignore all my packs I have. Some of them are weird. I'm going to activate the behavior pack and resource pack like I did. And oh, look, you can see the dirt, like I said it would, change its texture. Oh, it has a different orientation. I guess it rotates it. You can change that with extra files and stuff, but that's not the scope of this tutorial right now. You can just make it do different things with how the texture works. But what we essentially did was just replace the dirt texture. Also, this seed is actually surprisingly flat. Like, look over there. Yeah. Yeah, that looks kind of funny. Like it's just all the dirt just just replaced itself. That's so funny looking. Look at all this. No dirt anywhere. There's a floating block. Huh. Just a single one. Interesting. I'm getting distracted, aren't I? But seriously, this is like old generation, doesn't it? It looks like old generation Minecraft. Huh. Yeah, it's nostalgic looking, that's what. I'm just gonna fly around a bit. Huh. Oh, there's the... Wait, no, no, okay, yeah. It's pretty normal sized generation now. None of the old stuff. None of the new stuff, I mean. Oh, look, a shipwreck. We got some emeralds and some lapis. Yeah. Ooh, a map. I like how it looks. I like how I did that texture, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. That'll be it for the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Uh, hope you have a great day, and make sure you guys subscribe. I'm trying to reach 150 subs. Uh, thanks. Bye.